In just 7 days, I was able to gain Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to the day 7 of my 7 days weight gain challenge. Oh my god, so it's officially the last day of this 7 days weight gain challenge. I can't believe we've come 7 whole days filming, editing, eating, just to show you guys how much weight you can gain just by eating homemade foods, the foods you already have in your house, without having to go to any restaurant, without having to do any takeaways, just eating what you've already got in your house before, and you can actually use it to gain weight. And you all know this was also featuring my favorite weight gain product, which is the SBT Weight Gain Syrup, and it's been able to help us, not just me, because a lot of you ordered for the product, so thank you. So it's been able to help us to get to our desired weight gain result. Isn't that amazing indeed? It is amazing indeed. So I am so happy for how far we've come. For anyone new to my YouTube channel, you're welcome. My name is Esosa Tovia, and I decided to start a 7 days weight gain challenge, eating everything you have in your house without having to go to any restaurant, without having to order any foods or any takeaway, just eating what you've already got in your house to actually gain weight. If you are yet to subscribe, please do that right now. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome, darling. So for anyone that doesn't know, this is the SBT Weight Gain Syrup, a very effective weight gain syrup for everyone that wants to gain weight. It actually increases your appetite, it maintains your metabolism, and it makes you gain healthy weight. What is going to be happening on today's video is I am going to be showing you guys again my breakfast, lunch, and my dinner, and then we're gonna move forward to showing you guys how much weight I have been able to gain in the last 7 days. If you guys remember so well, we started with 64.1 kilo. That was our starting weight, and on the second day I was 64.7 kilo. And ever since then, I decided not to tell you guys anymore how much I was gaining, because there won't be any more surprise if I should say on the 7th day I gained this. So I decided to pause to bring you guys to the 7th day and show you this is how much I gained, and also show you guys if any part of my body has changed, if it's increased, or if it's still the same, because sometimes depending on how much you gain, your body can increase or it can still be the same. Okay, so that is another topic we can talk about later on this video. And throughout the 7 days, I've been able to show you guys everything I've been eating, everything I've been drinking, all throughout the 7 days up until today. And I'm still going to be showing you guys the one for today, and close to the end of this video I will then show you guys how much I have gained, and also show you guys a full body look of how my body looks now compared to the day one that we started. We're going to be comparing the two videos. So I already had my breakfast before I started this video, because today is a Sunday and I'm working today. So I've already had my breakfast. I'm currently on my lunch break. That's why I said let me take this time to quickly do this video for you guys. So I'm going to be having my lunch in a very few minutes, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to be having as well. But before lunch, I had just my regular bread and hot chocolate this morning. I ate at around 7 a.m. this morning. Trust me, I wasn't gonna eat proper food because it was too early. Even if I was hungry, I just wanted to like have some liquids, but I was like, for the sake of this video, let's do the needful. So I had to like add bread with it, and I had 4 slices of bread, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go get my lunch now so you guys can see what I'm having for lunch, and I will be showing you guys what I'm gonna be having for dinner later. After dinner, before I am going to be showing you guys how much weight I have gained in the past 7 days. Oh my days, I can't wait to show you guys how much I have gained. So without further ado, let me just take a pause and go eat first. Hi everyone, welcome back, and it's officially time for me to have my lunch. Right, I'm gonna be having something different from what you guys are used to, or maybe a lot of you should know it already, but it's just what I haven't had since we started this weight gain challenge. So right here I have got beans on this position, and right here I have got ripe fried plantain. For those that know, you know this combo here. This combo is delicious and it's a very good protein for gaining weight. Like, beans is very good for gaining weight, and of course plantain, the ripe ones, are good for gaining weight as well, because they have calories when they become ripe. When they are not ripe, they actually contain iron. But this is a very good combo for you to gain weight. So as everyone doing, I love to start with water, guys. Not too much water, because if you're the type that don't have appetite and you drink too much water, you will end up not being able to eat. But being that I have appetite, that's why I can actually drink water and still be able to eat fine. So let's start. You're eating both together. This is it. Let me take my mic. I like when you guys listen to how crunchy it is. Oh my god. Definitely the best combo. I have 20 minutes left for my break. Have you got yours? Extremely effective. Go get yours. Hi everyone, good evening and welcome to dinner. Right, it's officially time for me to have my dinner. And guess what I'm gonna be having for dinner today? I've got me some rice, a very big bowl of rice. I've got eggs, and I've also got my chicken to go with it. This drink here, it's called malt. It's a very nice drink, and it is non-alcoholic. There's no alcohol on the drink, and it's very nice, because I think just this bottle has about 300 and something calories on it. So I'm gonna be having it today as well. It's very cold and refreshing, guys. It's really cold, trust me. And of course I have my baby shaped by Victoria over here, which I'm gonna be having as well after my dinner. So after dinner, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how much I have gained, how much I look at the end of the video. But just before that, I'm gonna be telling you guys my current weight. Just have a guess on how much I weigh right now. Drum roll. Keep the drums rolling, guys. I currently weigh 66.2 kilo. Oh my days. I'm gonna show it to you guys. That's my weight from today, 66.2 kilo. I'm also gonna put it on my screen. So that's how much I have gained. So that's 2 kilos gained from the day we started this challenge. We started at 64.1 kilo, and today I weigh 66.2 kilo. That is to tell you, we have indeed come a long way. In just 7 days, I was able to gain 2 kg. That is a lot, to be honest. I know this product actually did most of the work for me, because this was a product that gave me the appetite. This is the product whereby whenever I eat, I intend to gain weight from whatever I eat, because I was using this product. If you don't use this product, you will gain weight, but it's going to be slower than usual. But if you use this product, you will see yourself gaining faster than you will usually gain. So I was able to gain so much weight in just 7 working days. I was able to gain 2 kilos. So I'm going to show you guys how much I look. So I'm the type of person that I weigh more than I will always look. That's my kind of person. I weigh more than I will always look. But I just know if you lift me up, you can feel my weight. That's the type of person I am. So that means my bone weigh more than my heart will weigh. So most people are different. There's some people that will be at 60, they will be way chubbier than I am, but I'm the opposite of that. I weigh more than I always look. So just in case anyone is wondering, and also whenever I gain like any kilo, I take like extra a day or two to finally see it on my body properly. So that's just me again. So I'm gonna finish my dinner, and after dinner I'm gonna show you guys my current look, comparing it with the day one and today. Anyways, I'm gonna just quickly eat now, and then we can go see my look, how I currently look. So let me just quickly eat before my food gets cold. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this 7 days weight gain challenge. Ignore my video if it's not giving, that's because a girl is tired already. So guys, if you want to gain weight, you can see that you can actually eat your foods from home and still be able to gain weight. And at the same time, make sure you go get yourself SBT Weight Gain Syrup if you want to have that gorgeous everything. Everything. So make sure you go get yourself the weight gain syrup. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Like this video, share this video. I'm gonna be posting more videos in the coming days, just showing you guys other things you can eat to gain weight, and other things I'm gonna be doing with my weight gain journey, and just more details, and also packaging videos and more story time videos, guys. So if you enjoy those type of videos, remember again to subscribe and leave me a comment. And what do you think about this weight gain? What would you have done differently? And what do you think about my result? Do you think it's just the SBT Weight Gain Syrup that did most, or my food actually did a lot? Because I know the both of them did so amazingly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. See you on my next video. I love you all. Bye.